Hello guys, I am back to discuss a new PMP scenario in this video. This time it is about the project closure, and this is an interesting scenario. I'm sure you're going to like it. So let me read out the scenario first, and then we are going to discuss the option choices. So the question says that a project to redesign a website has gone through several rounds of usability testing with customers and has finally received formal acceptance of the deliverable. To close out the project manager gathers the stakeholders in the key stakeholders in a room to demonstrate the website before it goes live. What is the project manager seeking to gain from this demonstration? Option A, quality inspection of the redesign deliverables. Option B, obtaining formal acceptance of the project deliverables from the stakeholders. Option C, feedback for design improvements. And option D, confirmation that the product scope deliverables were achieved. Do let us know in the comment area that which option have you gone for in this question before getting to know the correct answer. Okay, the important terminologies. Several rounds of usability testing with the customers has been done, right? And the formal acceptance of the deliverables have been received. This part is super important. And now the project is meant for closeout, right? And as part of the closeout decision and meeting, the project manager has gathered the important stakeholders in a meeting. Now, option A, quality inspection of the redesigned deliverables is something that the project manager is trying to seek in this meeting. No, project manager is not trying to get an approval on the quality inspection. Why? Because this has been done and tested. Quality inspection in the form of testing, in the form of some regular visits, in the form of maybe just the checking of the system, is part of control quality process. And control quality process needs to happen before or during the validated scope process, right? When the scope validation and the formal acceptance on the deliverable is being achieved, at that point, yes, the quality inspection can be done. Ideally, it should be done before that, right? So quality inspection must have been completed if the formal acceptance of the deliverable have been achieved by the customer professionals, right? So A is out. A is not something that the project manager is trying to achieve in this meeting. And if A is something that the project manager is trying to achieve, then there is a serious trouble with the project delivery and the different deliverables that have been already accepted by the customer. B, obtaining the formal acceptance of the project deliverable from the stakeholders. This is again something that the project manager is not trying to achieve, because it has been mentioned in the question already that different deliverables of the project has been completed, demonstrated, and accepted by the customer. And it's like all the deliverables of the project, right? Which means that the UAT sign off of the project is done and the customer has given a go ahead to finally launch the project and to proceed with the closure of the project, right? Formal acceptance of the deliverable suggests that project is now meant for closure, right? So the project is standing at the closure phase, and one of the closure activities is supposed to be doing, and the initial closure activities, not the later, right? The initial closure activities is actually the answer to this question, right? Which is not B, because B happens before closure, as part of validated scope process, which is which is one of the process in monitoring and controlling phase of the project, right? So B is also not the answer to this question. C, feedback for design improvement. Now, if the project manager is aspiring for the feedback on design improvements, then In case of agile project, this should be done as part of initial iterations or as part of like prototype making. And in case of traditional projects, this should be like the part of you know your quality expectations and quality inspections, right? So if the or maybe validated scope as well. So if the project manager is looking out for the feedback for design improvement, this is again not the right thing, because this must have been completed with the formal acceptance of the deliverable. So C is also not the right answer to this question. Now option D, which of course is the right answer to this question, it says that confirmation that the product scope and deliverables were achieved. Now this is something which is the very first step of the project closure. When the closeout of a project starts, it starts with actually option D, that the there is a closeout decision or a confirmation from the customer and the different stakeholders of the project that yes, this project, its deliverables, its expectations, its business case has been achieved, and this project is meant for closure now. And we may proceed with the different closeout activities like contract closure, financial closure, procurement closure, knowledge management, archiving, lessons learned recording, resource disposition, transition. Those are like those activities should be scheduled now, right? But to proceed with those different step-by-step activities of the project closure, this confirmation from the like the approvers, ideally should be a project governance board or along with the project sponsor, should be achieved, right? That yes, the product scope, the different project deliverables, the different project expectations have been met, the business case have been achieved, the project charter has been fulfilled with the success criteria or with the exit criteria. And yes, we are signing it off at a governance level, and the project manager along with the project team should proceed with the necessary administrative activities of the project closure. Right? So option D is the right answer to this question. Right? I hope you like this explanation. Please do not forget to like this video, and if you have any follow-up questions or feedback on this question and its explanation, do let us know in the comment area. We will see you very soon with a different PMP scenario. Till then, take care. Goodbye.